Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to turn the green messages to blue on your iPhone. For example, if you see if you are sending messages and they are turning green and they are also not delivered, so how you can change these green messages to blue. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second. And after that, you have to simply turn it off again. And after turning off the airplane mode, you have to simply make sure that your Wi-Fi or internet connection is started. So what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to simply click on that, and after that you have to simply click on transfer reset iPhone. So here you have to simply reset all of your network setting, and after that you have to simply check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can also go for reset all of setting. And after resetting all of your setting, what you have to do next is you have to simply look for iMessages. And after that, if you find the iMessage, you have to simply click on that. And you have to simply make sure that this toggle is turned on, which means you have simply activated iMessage, and you have to wait for some time so that iMessage has been activated. And after iMessage has been activated, what you have to do, you have to simply try it again, whether your problem has been solved or not. Which means if the problem is still lacking, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to Apple Store and ask for the solution of the problem. Which means if you want to turn your message into blue, how you can solve it, you can also ask for the Apple Store for the solution. If the problem is still there, then you can also go for the Apple discussion and you can ask any of the iPhone user how they solve their problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you can get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.